Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. So today we'll be seeing a very important model answer with regard to Tourism Vision 2047 launched by Government of Telangana. Before going into a discussion, a small advertisement to all of you guys. So for Indian subjects, Indian economy and for the regional subjects, Telangana movement is my forte subject. You can be a part of this classes, test series and mentorship. Along with that, if you are being a part of this, you will get SNT free with regard to material and also the lectures and whatever the current affairs we have been doing on this channel and on also my UPSC channel PSIR, all that will be given to you free. And apart from this module, the people who have already gone through the coaching, okay, over the years and looking for motivation, looking for ready-made content, looking for like rigorous answer writing practice, and someone to back them all the time, someone to hold their hand all the time. So we are having what mentorship sessions, complete mentorship is being provided from today till you crack your examination. There is no bar with regard to any of your doubt sessions. So how many you want to have, that many will be given to you. If you are very poor in a particular topic, that topic will be completely dealt with you, so that you will get the very good insights of it. All the contemporary current affairs will be discussed with you, so that you are not going to miss out. Even though you have prepared 2 years or 3 years back, you are in the current times and you are aware of all the contemporary issues in current affairs. That I'll make sure that you are going through it. Every mentorship session and a complete mentorship is designed by me and taught by me, and we are actually going to do that. You only have to follow me. That's all, nothing more than that. So let us start our discussion with Telangana tourism vision. I would like to tell you that Telangana has proposed a very good tourism vision. So we are going to discuss aims of this tourism vision. We are going to discuss the strategy. We are going to discuss the proposed projects with regard to the tourism. We are also going to discuss challenges and key issues with regard to this tourism vision or tourism blueprint, and I will also give you some way forward. So this is a complete model answer with regard to your tourism. They may ask you in the service sector, in economy, or they may directly ask you what are the salient features or the aims and strategy and proposed projects under the tourism vision. I hope this is all clear to you. Let us start our discussion. Okay, the first one we are having is Telangana has obviously unveiled a future ready development plan integrating ecological restoration. So whenever we are promoting tourism, we are making sure that tank bund, we are making sure that Musi riverfront, we are making sure that Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, we are making sure that Murugavani National Park, we are making sure that whatever the bodies identify under Mission Kakatiya, they are not harmed. So we are making sure that ecological restorations with regard to dam forests, all that will be preserved when we are promoting the tourism plan. So we are not going to disturb this ecological balance. Tourism led economic growth also, we want tourism need to contribute like 5% or 6% to our economic growth. That is what we are envisioning. Okay, mobility modernization to reach to that tourist places such as like Chilkul Balaji, you need to have what buses towards it. Okay, if you want to go to Golconda, if you want to go to Warangal Fort, you need to have that particular mobility, means you can go with any of the transportation. So tourism modernization is also important, and we are going to protect all our heritage structures that has been built during the period of Kakatiya till the period of Nizams. Okay, so this is a complete blueprint that they have given with regard to tourism development and promotion in our state. The documents also pitches new heritage corridors, means you see Charminar, then you see Golconda, then you see Shilpakala Vedika, then you see Chilkur Balaji, then you go to what Wonderla, etc. So this is called as completely heritage, not Wonderla, heritage. So this is a corridor. A bus will start from here, will show you all of this, and you are done with the heritage corridor route. That is only called as heritage corridors will be there. Conservation of historic presence, wherever the historic or old structures and monuments are there, we are going to, whatever the remains are there, we are going to preserve them. adaptive reuse of old structures, so that like old structures you can say that Devanwadi etc, all that could be Koti is there, we can use them as guest houses and homestays. That is what the government has proposed is lakefront development. Wherever the Musi is going, obviously we are actually tourismizing the Musi river front, and we want the Musi river wherever it is flowing, we want across it, okay, lot of local products to be sold, we want across it, lot of people come and sit there, have coffee. So we want to make complete front as an economic growth engine also, and improved visitor infrastructure. Obviously when you are going to the tank bund, if you don't have benches, then why do you go to the tank bund, right? You need to have places to sit, you need to have places to talk, you need to have places to eat, you need to have places to watch. Right or wrong, less traffic mobility should be there, okay, the fast speeding the bikes and cars should not be allowed, so that you are not that much of threatened with regard to the vehicles moving. So that is very important. Improved visitor infrastructure, CCTV will be there, someone will steal something, so a lot of people are coming over there. That's why it is important to have the visitor infrastructure over there, okay. These are some of the important proposed projects which are pitched by the Telangana government in the tourism blueprint 2047. The strategy is very simple. We are going to expand the forest cover. We are not backing out with regard to ecological restoration. We are actually developing biodiversity, wildlife corridors too, promoting ecotourism, strengthening community-led NTFP value chains, which is NTFP stands for non-timber forest produce. So apart from timber, whatever you are getting from the forest, whether it is tannins, whether it is resins, whether it is any vegetables, whether it is any fruits, whether it is medicinal plants, whether it is aroma plants, whether it is honey, whatever it is, apart from timber, any other thing that you produce and you sell to the people, that is only called as non-timber forest produce, mainly given to what tribal under the Forest Rights Acts. These efforts aims to link the local livelihoods, whoever are living in that particular areas of ecotourism, wildlife tourism, spiritual tourism, whoever are living across that particular heritage tourisms, okay, and other ecotourisms will be benefited. Their livelihood will be improved. With global wellness markets also will be there, enable communities to generate carbon credits. Okay, that is very difficult to understand for all of you guys at this point of time. So basically that's all about less CO2 pollution, okay, we can able to do with the help of promoting what a ecotourism. Then this particular blueprint document also have spiritual tourism plan. So you are having new circuits where you can directly start from Alampur, see in between 3-4 temples and go to Somasila. Then you can start from Warangal, go and see 3-4 temples in between, then go to Warangal. Then Vemulawada you start, see some temples between, then go to Dharmapuri, your end. So these are called as what spiritual tourism plans. Completely you will be in the mood of what Ramzan or Sabarimala or the 15 days of Navratri and 9 days of Navratri, etc. so and so forth. Okay, positioning Medaram Jatara as an international tribal festival is one of the important component in this particular tourism plan. Eco trails are there. Eco trails are nothing but where you are moving across the jungles, etc. Forest trekking you are doing. We are having Amrabad, Kawal, Eturnagaram. Resort zones are also there in environmentally sensitive area where you can enjoy the view, scenic beauty, natural landscapes you can enjoy. Solar lit corridors are there, less pollution. AI based water waste systems are there which automatically drain out or any of the impurities, okay. And helitourism is also there. If you want, if you have a lot of money, okay, in your pockets, you can just get a helicopter and just take it around and see the beauty of our land from the sky. So that is only called as what, helitourism. So this is like proposed projects, and you are having a strategy here. You are having some important components in the vision document. Then you are having what issues here. So many of the tourism places that we are talking about are subjected to encroachment. If this is Golconda, means here a lot of people have encroached lot of land, okay. Then fragmentation of historic zones are there. Some one historic place is here, other one is here, so there is a lot of in between. Some areas are there where the commercial business is happening, so fragmentation of the historic zones are also there. Lack encroachment is anyhow there. Missing heritage. This proposed plan does not include Badshahi Ashur Khana. Okay, Charminar to Char Kaman corridor is not there. Machli Kaman is not there. Gulzar House is not there. Darul Shifa is not there, which are actually built on the same period of Charminar but has not been given space in this tourism plan. Omission of Golconda itself is one of the direct attack on Telangana identity, because Golconda is not a Nizam or Qutub Shahi symbol. It has also been developed by Ganapati Deva of Kakatiyas. Urbanization around the Banjari Darwaza, Fateh Darwaza palaces ruins continue to decay without a restoration strategy. Lot of palaces are getting into what ruins. They are getting completely collapsed because no restoration. So these are some of the issues that the government of Telangana actually need to work on, to make sure that these heritage structures is free from encroachment, free from fragmentation, free from omission, and free from what ruins. Way forward, what we can do, those structures which cannot be considered to be a very good sightseeing places, we can just revive them. We can just do the plaster of Paris Lappan Duppan. We will do something like that, make them grade 3 structures and turn them into homestays, whereas other states have already done it. Other segments we have to also explore. Medical tourism, MICE, is nothing but meetings, incentives and conferences. Exhibition tourism, we have to. Film tourism is there, like Ramoji Film City, Annapurna Studio. You have to make a pact with them so that people come and see the studios. Wedding tourism means ask the people to come to Telangana and do the wedding here. Adventure tourism, for that purpose, Chilkur Balaji, like that trekking tracks should be there, where people will come and enjoy and consider Telangana one of the happening place for the youngsters to do this. Were outlined in their blueprint policy, but very broadly they have spoken, not in detail. Focusing on a single window system, improved permits with regard to opening of any of the tourism related incentives, promotional campaigns need to be done. When we are watching the movie Telangana tourism, Kerala tourism, like that will come. No, we should also have Telangana tourism. Conclusion, very beautiful conclusion I have written here. Tourism is positioned as one of the major economic engine by the Telangana government, connecting forest, rural regions, heritage towns and urban centers. The state vision combines heritage and pilgrimage circuits with river-based ecotourism, festivals like Medaram, wellness tourism, and MICE events, and craft and agri-based experiences. So we are having a complete full-fledged package with regard to our ecotourism, with regard to our tourism vision of 2047. I hope this is all clear to you. You can add more points in the comment section, and you can also comment how is it and also do join my classes, share with all of your friends, do hit the bell icon, and also comment that you have to do. Bye bye, take care.